pay you over $150 working remotely. Okay, it can pay you from an average of $135,000 right up to $150,000. So what's up, guys, and welcome back to another edition. Today I'll be showing you this new website called Remote Rocket Ship. Okay, now this is a very unpopular site which you can actually land job from any part of the world. Okay, so now if you want to know how this will actually help you to get such a huge pay, follow up right up to the end. Now the first thing you have to do is understand these are job board sites which offer you over the possibility to search hundreds of thousands of jobs from remote top companies. Okay, now what happens on this side? The first thing you have to do is, you can see here you have the job title, your location, the minimum salary, experience. Now this is very user friendly, and so that you can actually locate yourself where you are. You have found your specific niche and your level of experience. Now, for example, the job title, you can put job title whatsoever you want. Let's say you are currently just a fresh grad and you don't know what type of job you can apply for. So the first thing, let's say you want to work remotely, you head over here to this section called location and you choose. You can see you have USA remote, Europe remote. Now when they say USA remote, means that you have to be living in the US, then you work remotely. Europe, that you live in any European country, you can work remotely. So you can see the list keep goes on and on. Now, so for worldwide specification, like remotely without borders, you have to take anywhere in the world. Now this is purely remote, it means like global, worldwide, so wherever you're located, and this is actually the one for you. Now you can see the jobs now are being rescheduled according to the preference. Now let's say your experience, minimum salary, yeah, I would advise it just leave it like that. Okay, just leave the salary part. Now the other part is experience. Now your experience, since you're a fresh grad, you have no experience. Okay, no experience at entry level jobs. Okay, you click on, let's say, no experience. You can see now the jobs will actually adjust. Now, for example, working student operation. Okay, now these guys are paying you from 12 to 18 euros part-time job. Okay, now this is a startup operation. You can actually apply. This is Joblog, and you can apply. You just click on this apply section. So we have course creator, developer, intern. So e-learning course templates, video quiz. Now this is a job, entry level job anywhere in the world. Now it's an internship part. Okay, this is for internship. You have to read it. Now we have video content creator. Okay, so this is it, and this is German, so I don't know how to read German. Okay, graduate role supporting Zapo Bank data team. This is the job. Zapo Bank is actually a company, a mid-sized company with 200 to 500 employees, so no degree required for this, so they need you to actually do this and build automations. And you can see the job keep going on and on. Okay, now that's it. So that's how you have to do. Now for example, let's say I want to apply for this job, which will be an average 12 to 13 euros per hour part-time entry jobs. Okay, so I'll click on apply and I'll be redirected to the apply section where I have to like complete my details. And when after clicking on apply, when this section pops up, you read more details about the company, and if you want to apply, if you're interested, okay, you head over here, this section. Now since this is in German, that's why it is like this. So I'll just go to translate. Google Translate will do everything for you, and you click on try again. So you click on apply, and when you click on apply, okay, apply now, all your details will be, you have to put in your details and the rest and submit your application by the end of the day. If you don't like that job and want to apply for another, you search for the job you want to apply for it, and the link for this will be left in the description box or the comment section, so that any interested person can sign up and use the awesome opportunity to earn from an average of $135,000 right up to $200,000 a year working remotely any part of the world. Okay, thanks for watching, and that is all for this video.